It's time for the lightning round. Chris Benson, where I tell you about myself as a big community because I'm going to play this out. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Daddy? It's time for the lightning round. Cramer's Mad Money. Let's start with Joe in Georgia. Joe.
Thank you, Cramer, for having me on your show.
You betcha.
Got a quick question. Ticker symbol IVR, Invesco Mortgage Capital.
I don't know what mortgages they have, and therefore I cannot recommend the stock, and I suggest that you do not own it. Let's go to Ray in Oregon. Ray.
Booyah, Cramer.
Booyah. Ray.
I've been fortunate in owning 5 of your Magnificent 7 stocks besides Salesforce, AMD, and Microsoft.
Excellent.
I'm doing fairly well. But when I heard you talk about ON Semiconductor a while back, it was at a high of 109 and it dropped.
Well, remember,
to 59.
ON Semi is really related to the autos, and the auto market has turned down because the Fed raised rates so high. So you got to wait till the Fed cuts rates and autos come back before you can buy one. Let's go to Bill in Massachusetts. Bill.
Booyah, Mr. Cramer. How are
Bill.
you today?
I am good. How about you, partner? What's happening?
Fantastic. You're an educator, a mentor, and very entertaining. I wanted you to know that.
Thank you.
I'm a club member.
Yes.
And the most important thing you taught me is financial discipline.
That is everything, because discipline trumps conviction, okay? Thank you. Big club meeting next week, by the way. Let's go to work.
Can't wait. Can't wait. I had a question. I want to pick up some more Stanley Black and Decker. I need your opinion.
I think you should. I think that actually it's a reverse head and shoulders pattern, by the way. Yields 3.5. It's very inexpensive. And if people are buying Home Depot and Lowe's, they should be buying Stanley Black and Decker. Let's go to Calvin in Massachusetts. Calvin.
Hello, Cramer and the crew. Thanks for all you do.
Oh, yeah. What's happening?
I'm calling from the birthplace of basketball. That's Springfield, Massachusetts.
Yes, it is indeed.
Yes, sir. I currently hold a position in a company that recently announced a $150 million public offering of its common stock at $15 per share. Should I hold, buy, or sell? My stock is ticker symbol CPRX. That's Catalyst Pharmaceuticals. Thank you.
I do not know Catalyst, so I cannot opine on it. I've got to do some work. Let's go to Eric in Pennsylvania. Eric.
Booyah, Jim.
Booyah.
First of all, I am a longtime fan of your show.
Thank you.
I have two DVDs, and I'm wearing the Mad Money with Jim Cramer T-shirt.
Oh boy, this guy's got game and swag and everything. How can I help you?
So I was wondering, with American Airlines setting to go down, like the earnings, should I buy, hold?
Look, they report next week, and I'm not a big fan of the airline stocks. We're going to see exactly what they say. The stock has been stuck at this level for some time. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.